So today we will be playing the Dogman game. We'll be playing downtown, including the boss. I'll do as much as I can. So the fleas. So if you know what Dogman is, then like this video and subscribe if you think I should do more Dogman game videos. Yes, Chief? Did you get my messages, Dogman? So you come to the farmer's market with... Hey, they have the best... Wait, don't distract me. Right, I just ignored the chief. The chief is nothing but weirdos. No cheating, and I won't lose a single so hard. Okay, viewers? So if you think that that's how I should keep up my videos, then don't forget to like and thumbs up. So I'll be happy. So if you let me down in the comments, so which Dogman character is your favourite? Because mine is definitely Lily Peachy. So cute. Thanks. The Peachy's now become a good guy because apparently he's a parent to Lily Peachy. Thank you. Dunk. Not a single heart will be lost. Okay, viewers? Boing, watch this. Oh no. Boing, watch this. And bonk the bird in there. Look at this. Wow. Super spring. Boing. Boing. Dogman. I like taking the rooftops. What about you, viewers? I'm surfing. No. My reign of terror will come to an end! Oh, God, the evil hot dog's the worst kind of hot dog that you've ever seen in your life. Thanks for being a bad bird. I made it back! Look it up, viewers! if you viewers like this music, then give this video a thumbs up. Ow. So if I said no hearts might be lost, but trust me viewers, I've done this before. And when I did it before, it wasn't this hard because I'm playing so on the hard level. I'm crunking each block. No, VAHD jump. Actually. Tapo collection. Ow. Viewers, actually, I've done this before. I'm being totally honest. Oh my gosh, that was close. Or otherwise, I would have tried to start again. No editing allowed in my videos. That's what I say. If you viewers think I should have edit my videos, then in the comments explain to me why. Okay? I think you got that. Oh, this is perfect. They'll never get me because I'm so low to the ground. Oh my gosh. Ah, ow, that hurts. Stop it. Ow, ow. Oh, I've only got one heart left. And trust me, viewers, trust me. I've done this before, trust me. I've got a feeling this video must be to be continued. I've got a feeling. But if we've got time, I think we can get through this. Oh, yeah, I've got all my hearts back. Oh my gosh, I thought I should have to survive with one heart. That would be dreadful. So I'm sorry if I said it a bit so too loud. Oh my gosh. That was lucky. Ow, 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 ow. I'm touching lava. So at least it feels like lava. Ow. Change characters. Oh. Yeah, I got my bulldog. Boiler tanks and brains. Yeah, you've unleashed the claws. Or something like that. No, I haven't unleashed the claws because I'm not digging with them yet. Viewers, I think I also have to overlap my time because my videos are only 11 minutes. So when we've gone over the 11 minutes that we're supposed to have. Oh good, I'm 2 now. Oh, quickly dig into the tunnel. Ugh, the skunk. The gunk. Ow, that hurt. Oh my gosh, another skunk. I don't trust these skunks. Ouch. That skunky, stop hurting me. You're embarrassing me. I'm showing off my skills to my viewers, and you're just pooping all over me? Huh? Donk. No, actually, I didn't donk. think of that, viewers. I think we've got time for one more. So I think this one is going to be the boss battle. Just ignore that bit. Whoops. No, actually, if you viewers think I should do the boss battle, let it down in the comments. Quick, I've got to go on with this video. Right, I've got enough comments. Let's do this. Wait, didn't we already beat this guy? So I guess he didn't learn this lesson. Let's jolt so it's memory. By the way, viewers, this is Super Mecha Philly, the giant gyro man. Oh my gosh! Ouch, that hurt. Ow, quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Jolt your memory! Oh my. Let's jolt your memory, mister! Oh my gosh. One little bitty. Ow, that hurts. Ow. I've got one more chance. Thank you. Ow, that hurt. We got you. We destroyed Super Mecha Philly. And viewers, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe to my videos. Bye. Look, I won. Yay. Yay! Your super buddies all go!